Welcome to another unboxing of SHF Figuarts, and today we will unbox Road Sector, which is the bike, the alternative bike of Kamen Black. And this is a limited SHF Figuarts, so it comes with this limited version brown box. As you can see, the original box is inside. Here, I don't really read Japanese, but I think it means that Kamen Black is sold separately, which is not part of the set. Then it would be ridiculously too expensive if they package together. Now let's open it. So I'm sure with this one, I'm a huge fan. Logo. There you go. SHF limited Road Sector, which cost me arms and legs. Comes with the standard information leaflet on how to use it and how to install additional accessories. Now let's open the clamshell. Straight out of the box. Road Sector. Have this separately put over there for the handle, which is identical with one that is already installed in the bike, so I'm not sure why they include it. In some other SHF Rider machine series they also have. It will remain a mystery. Or perhaps that's why they have it. You might lose it in the future, actually. Snap it out. So, this is the movement of the steering wheel. It cannot be moved too far away because of the firing. Humongous there. Wheels turn normally. We have two disc brakes for the front section and with racing valve, which is quite futuristic for bike and its sign. So the rear wheel, additional details, exhaust, and which is pretty neat. My favorite from my childhood is this intuitive dashboard with some keyboards and other cool stuff that I'm not sure what's useful. But as you can see, the mirror, rear mirror, is not a real mirror and it doesn't even reflect anything. That's one of the minuses of the bike. And you have this, I'm not sure, is it a projector, camera, or some kind of weapon? I forgot this a long time ago. Here you have the kickstand for the bike. And this. Here is actually another version of the back part of the bike in which you don't have it, the projector weapon camera installed. Not sure why you need it. Now let's see. Yeah, as you can see in the brochure, you can put this one over here so that the rider will ride the bike without the upper part protector of the bike. So basically this, the one that comes with the bike, is already pre-installed with the upper protector. Kamen Black, which is not part of this SHF, sold and bought separately. Possibly. So now let's try to put this one on and take this one off so that the Kamen Black can ride it. Simply have to snap this part from behind. And here it's also written, well, we read it, but it's shown there that you should also snap it out like that. And yeah, direction. So here and back. So snap this up, snap this one back, and put it aside. Put on the handle again, which falls out quite easily. And now you should install this part so that it won't look hollow like this. And there you go, like magic. Even though it doesn't really snap perfectly into place, you can see it's... Ah no, yeah, you can snap it again inside, and there you go. It should look like this. There's no hollow between. So now, black can ride his alternative bike road sector. Too bad, because I prefer the battle hopper actually, but it's more expensive. It's way more expensive now. So the high demand. And even though it's a racing bike, but the position of the rider is actually quite okay. Or no. It's actually the best pose for Kamen Black, because by not holding both handles, he can actually sit a bit better, because he would lean too much forward if he moved the hand this way. Really good details here.